Hey there, English learners. Want to sound more natural in English? Well, today I'm giving you 10 must know English phrases that native speakers use all the time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's get started. Throw in the towel. Give up. If you throw in the towel, it means you give up or quit something difficult. Example 1. After trying to fix my laptop for hours, I finally threw in the towel and called a technician. Example 2. Don't throw in the towel yet. Keep practicing and you'll get better. 2. On cloud 9. Very happy. If you're on cloud 9, it means you're super happy and excited. Example 1. She was on cloud 9 after getting her dream job. Example 2. Winning the championship put the whole team on cloud 9. 3. Go the extra mile. Put in extra effort. If you go the extra mile, you put in more effort than expected to do something really well. Example 1. She went the extra mile to make sure her presentation was perfect. Example 2. If you want to impress your teacher, go the extra mile on your project. Cost 4. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. If something costs an arm and a leg, it means it's crazy expensive. Example 1, that designer handbag costs an arm and a leg. Example 2, I'd love to visit Japan, but flights cost an arm and a leg right now. 5, pull someone's leg. If you pull someone's leg, you're joking with them or teasing them playfully. Example 1, are you serious or are you just pulling my leg? Example 2, he told me he met a celebrity, but he was just pulling my leg. 6. A blessing in disguise, a good thing that seemed bad at first. Something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good is called a blessing in disguise. Example 1, losing my job was a blessing in disguise. I found a much better one. At FER 2, missing my flight was annoying, but it was a blessing in disguise because I got a free hotel stay. #7. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. If something happens once in a blue moon, it means it happens very rarely. Example 1, I only eat fast food once in a blue moon. Example 2, he visits his hometown once in a blue moon, maybe once a year. Part 8, actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. This means people judge you more by what you do than what you say. Example 1, he keeps promising to help, but actions speak louder than words. Example 2, don't just say you care, show it. Actions speak louder than words. 9, see eye to eye, agree completely. If two people see eye to eye, it means they completely agree. We don't always see eye to eye, but we respect each other's opinions. Example 2, they see eye to eye on most important issues, which is why they work well together. 10, throw caution to the wind, take a risk. If you throw caution to the wind, you stop worrying and take a risk. Example 1, I wasn't sure about traveling alone, but I threw caution to the wind and booked the ticket. Sometimes you just have to throw caution to the wind and follow your dreams. And there you have it, 10 powerful English phrases that'll make you sound more fluent. Comment below your favorite phrase and try using it in a sentence. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fun English lessons. That's all for today. See you next time.